What if I told you that your tax refund could be the key to owning your dream home? That's right. Your refund could help you buy a home right here in Chattanooga. Curious how? Let's break it down. Each year, Americans receive an average tax refund of over $3,000. While many use it for vacations or paying down debt, what if you invested it in something that grows in value, like a home? In Chattanooga's competitive housing market, even a modest refund can go a long way toward buying your dream home. Your refund can help you tackle some of the biggest financial hurdles of buying a home. 1. Down payments. Even a few $1,000s can help you meet the requirements for FHA or conventional loans, potentially saving you on monthly costs. 2. Lower monthly payments. A larger down payment means lower mortgage payments over time, and possibly avoiding private mortgage insurance, PMI. 3. Improving credit. Using part of your refund to pay off debts can improve your credit score, securing you better loan terms. Take Sarah and Jake, a young couple in Chattanooga. By using their $4,000 tax refund, they were able to cover their down payment on a charming East Ridge bungalow. This small investment lowered their monthly payments and allowed them to secure a competitive interest rate. Today, they're building equity in their dream home, and you can too. Here's how to get started. 1. Meet with a mortgage lender. They'll help you understand your finances, explore loan options, and even show you how to use your refund effectively. 2. Partner with Jay Hudson Homes. With decades of expertise in Chattanooga's real estate market, we'll guide you through every step of the process, from pre-approval to move-in day. 3. Start your search. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy Northshore condo or a family home on Lookout Mountain, we'll help you find the perfect property. Your tax refund is the start. Let us help you take it across the finish line. Contact Jay Hudson Homes today and let us help you turn that refund into the home of your dreams.